everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here we are at the front of the store at the Dollar Tree looking at all of the Christmas stuff they're starting to take out and stock. So I thought I'd take you with me, guys. So this video is part of a collaboration and it's called the 12 Days of Christmas Close Collab, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now there are some amazing co-hosts, including myself. I'm going to be linking them below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss it. So I am absolutely loving the improvements that the Dollar Tree is making. They are ramping up their game, and before you go anywhere else, you want to stop here first. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So now, of course, they have little sections here of the leftover Halloween stuff and the leftover, Thanksgiving Day crafting stuff. But what I'm trying to focus on is the Christmas stuff. So that's what I'm doing. Now, what I normally like to do is to show you each and every item so that you can see. So that makes your shopping trip easy and you know what you're looking for. If you haven't subscribed to the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. Now make sure and click that subscribe button and double click on the notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Also, click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I show you around. So I'll see you at the end. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.